everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is my Moringa and Alugbati stir fry. First, heat up the oil in the pan. Then add the onions and saute. Next up, add the garlic and fry. When they are lightly browned, add the mixed chilies. Next up is the pork mince. Add to the pan and brown evenly. Add a pinch of black pepper, followed by the fish sauce. This will give your stir fry that umami flavor. Add the moringa and alugbati to the pan. And fry until the leaves have wilted. Moringa and alugbati are super healthy for you and really tasty with the pork. Finish it off with the oyster sauce. And there you have it! This is my moringa and alugbati stir fry. Lami kaayo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Salamat kaayo!